how to fix GCash app account is in hold in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the GCash app account is in hold problem. So first of all, if you incurred a prompt saying your account is on hold, it may be due to any of the following, like inactivity. If your GCash basic account hasn't been fully verified in the last 12 months, it will be deactivated. And the information and documents you provided for verification may not be real or accurate. And your account might be involved in illegal activities or suspicious transactions, or it might be used to someone or by someone not authorized, and GCash may have received instructions from a government agency or court to hold your account, or if your GCash wallet has had no transaction or a zero balance for last at least 6 months, it's considered inactive. So if your account is on hold, you have to do is check if you received an email. So double check your GCash registered email inbox or spam folder if you received an email regarding account deactivation. If you received this email, you have to unblock your account, and once unblocked you must fully verify your account. If you don't verify within 48 hours, it will be blocked again. And the next option is check for an SMS on routine verification. So if you didn't receive any email, check if you received an SMS from GCash saying, "Hi, your GCash account was put on hold due to routine verification. This is following GCash terms and conditions. To access your account, click here to submit the following required documents." So first of all, you have to give front and back photos of valid government issued IDs, a photo of your signature on paper, proof of income like your income tax return or payslip if employed, and business registration if self-employed. And after that, you have to give a proof of billing like a utility bill or rental statement. And after that, you can chat with GG for more assistance. Like here you can see the AI powered chat assistant of GCash app. And if you didn't receive an SMS or email, chat with GG and type account on hold for helping in checking your account. Please prepare the following requirements that GG will ask: photos of two valid government issued IDs, a selfie with the IDs, a screenshot of your phone or SIM, settings showing your GCash registered number. So that's the all possible ways to fix your GCash account is on hold problem, and see you on the next video.